ride. I've never seen a tire that buried. Damn! Wow. This has escalated a lot. This is a pretty sweet waterfall, dude. Well, boys and girls, this is day 3 up in the UP of riding, and it's gonna be a doozy. We're gonna be chasing a bunch of waterfalls and checking out the scenery. We got the big gang here. Everybody's cruising through, making our way through the trail. And also, I'm a passenger princess today. How do I use this? There we go. First time really riding a Honda Talon. So far, it's nice. There's been no belt explosions. Real plus on this vehicle. I chose wisely today. It's enclosed. So that was a big plus. Roger's the man for letting me ride in here. Oh, we got a bush light tree growing. It is getting nasty up in here, dude. Maybe by the end of today, I'll be convinced and I won't want a belt anymore.
Have to go and jump brands.
Yeah, a Maverick R don't sound bad. We are not super familiar with this terrain, so there's been a lot of turn around. Get her, Roger. You gotta get around somehow. But we're gonna make our way to these waterfalls one way or another.
Yeah, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you good?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, shit. We came in hot. You gonna be good?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, that was a bumpy ride. Still going? Yeah, it is, dude. Shit happens. Huh?
GoPro was running.
That one had the inside view.
Yeah, I do. I have the inside view.
What did you drop off into that?
We come around there hot. And
Yeah, like normal.
It grabbed, and we came up. And then we come back down, and I floored it to try and pull out of it. And we went this way. And
Got sucked right into it.
yeah, we went over a couple times.
Yeah. Did we roll a couple times?
Yeah,
It felt
Yeah. I feel like we rolled and then came back.
Direction
The roof
your
imprints
hand
right
and
there.
landed?
Yeah.
Had to.
Yeah, the roof imprints right there. You look at the roof, it's all mud.
Yeah.
So is the inside.
It is. Look behind
Oh, holy shit.
I don't know where that came
Holy
from.
snikes.
It did come in. Well, that just convinced me. I'll stick to belts. The ride has gotten rowdy already. Really didn't do anything. You're not leaking anything, are you? It's just a lot of mud and poop everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You can see we came into this corner hot right here. We came into this corner, picked up, and then just did a crazy roll into those trees over there. Oh, hell yeah, what a view. Well, more waterfalls, super pretty down here. There's just so many cool hidden gems out here. This is just beautiful. See the boys all the way down there. What is he, trying to get to the other side?
Go to that side and hike down.
You gotta cross that log.
Yeah, that ain't happening either.
Whoa, no! Yes! Oh, he's getting him to commit to it. This whole river is just beautiful. whole area is just beautiful. Wham, 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 I made it. You guys might as well just walk through the water at this point.
No, not there. No, 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 no.
You just are committing. And then he shimmy over here. The throttle foot's wet. This is just amazing, man. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, is that your, what are you gonna do? Rock climb? How are you getting up? Oh my God, Bobby. What did I miss?
And he fell in and he went in. It didn't look that bad.
Ooh, he's damn, 4 locks?
Yeah, 4 locks just to get out of that mess.
Damn, I can smell it bad. It smells like rotten eggs for some reason too.
Yeah.
It's that mud. It's the Joe. Yeah, Joe's riding with you. Aaron with the 37s. Oh, no! Your whole 37 is underwater, dude. Now you're not spinning. Now you're blowing belt. Good thing I had that one. Aaron let me use his belt yesterday when I blew mine. All right, we got the wench in action here. Holy crap! I've never seen a tire that buried. Nice. Oh wow, it's actually moving.
Yes.
This tree's flexing, dude. Oh my. I can't believe it's actually still moving. It's creeping along. Oh, wow. I am very impressed right now that it's still moving. This is an insane trench that he's worked through. This is a
Juicy.
So they're gonna reposition it, get to this tree over here. That's pretty far. Pull that up here, Joe.
You're gonna have to walk all the way through this.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah, that's deep in there.
Hard passenger.
You're digging.
You might have to straddle this sucker.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Turn left. Right.
Feel like it's about to go over.
No, you ain't going nowhere.
I fucking hope not.
I hope not either.
Oh,
No!
Nice. Hell yeah. That is deep as hell.
hit it a little. Oh.
Ooh. You got it. No. Damn. Chris's. And they're pretty deep. This has escalated a lot. There we go, there we go. It's kind of going. There we go.
There you go.
Oh, cooking with grease.
Good.
All right, Chris finally got out. They're taking the bypass that we just made now.
There you go.
Got a hell of a group right here. This might be the most challenging waterfall we've ever gone to.
Well, this isn't even a waterfall.
Oh, it's not?
No, the highest point.
Oh, it's the highest point?
Natural elevation. There's a sign over there. You can
Yeah.
Mount Avon. Grab a shot.
Mount Avon. So it's the highest natural point in Michigan, though.
Yeah, they argue this, and then there's another spot.
Yeah, you're right
They're like right there with each other.
Holy crap, the highest point is only 1,979 feet. That's it?
Why'd you do that?
I can't see nothing from
19. It's only 1900, right?
1979.
1979.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's low.
That's low as
It's
hell.
even a mountain. It's a hill.
It's a hill. What a beautiful view here. It's been a lot of days of sightseeing, but this is a good one. This freaking bug situation today has been next level. I don't know if there's a hatching since we've been here, but I can't take it. It's torture. Well, that was a pretty eventful day. Very scenic. I think we might start making our way back to camp. Let's see what adventures await us. This is a pretty sweet waterfall, dude. What another badass spot we found here. This is just beautiful. All right, we got another mud contestant. We got Jackson, an XP1000 four-seater. Yeah, these aren't quite the right tires for the situation, eh?
No, they're not at all. They're trail tires.
I just framed out. Is that what happened?
No, that's a really deep hole. Yeah, I'm sure he's framed out. Yeah, that's part of it. Also, he has garbage tires. That is a wrap for this set of adventures, but stay tuned because I'm literally getting ready to head to Canada right now to Adrenaline Junkies event, side-by-side jamboree. And I've never been to Canada, so that's a first for me. And I'm bringing America with me, plus the Turbo Xpedition. It is gonna be a good time. Can't wait to meet some fellow Canadians and see what spicy adventures are happening up there. But also don't forget, we got CRASHAPALOOZA, August 22nd and 23rd at Twisted Trails Off-Road Park. It is 5.0, fifth year doing it. Appreciate everybody that comes out every time. But don't forget, we got our own side-by-side event happening right here. Plus, we got our race, which is July 19th, which the winner of the women's class is getting an XP1000 Razor. Yes, you heard it right, XP1000 Razor. And there's also $5,000 up for grabs and guaranteed payouts. It's a good one. I own you free fare. Go check it out. Go to the Facebook, look it up. That race is gonna be spicy, so I highly recommend going there. I own you free fare. And also, don't forget, Dirt Army membership. We got our next ride coming up. June 14th, also at Twisted Trails. Same place as CRASHAPALOOZA, but this is a Dirt Army ride. So you can come there, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna hang out for the whole day, and I'm sure we're gonna get into some trouble and find some really cool stuff to go play around on. Appreciate everybody that's been joining that. It's been awesome. And don't forget, if you do want to join it, go right to dirtdudesutv.com, same place you get all your merch and side-by-side parts. You'll see a Dirt Army membership. You join it, you get discounts on a bunch of stuff that we use and local companies, and then you can join us on these awesome adventures that we got planned. We got multiple rides all the way planned out till October. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. And yeah, appreciate everybody for watching and supporting. You guys are the bomb. I gotta get going to Canada. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah!